Katkum ka hukum balapanmi da ulat Khhuborjylla Shri Chandra Shekhar H Vijaya Shankar hinin kasngi khanrio tarek nailur bat katkum ka jing ai jing mut jong Myntri Rangbah Khhuborjylla usngo bha ban hukum ka jing bati bat jing sambyang yaki kam hapadeng Myntri Rangbah bat ki Myntri kumba lakadau harum. Shri Conrad K Sangma, Chief Minister, Cabinet Affairs, Finance Department and any portfolio not allotted to the ministers. Shri Prastun Tunsong, Deputy Chief Minister, Home, Police Department, Public Works Department. Public Works Department R, Public Works Department B, District Council Affairs Department and Parliamentary Affairs Department. Shri Syabalang Dahar, Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs Department, Transport Department, Commerce and Industries Department and Department of Prisons and Correctional Services. Shri Marcus N. Marak, Public Health Engineering Department, Housing Department, Soil and Water Conservation Department. Shri Metbah Lingdo, Power Department, Water Resource Department, Taxation Department, Textile Department. Shri Timothy D. Shira, Tourism Department, Agriculture Department, Fisheries Department. Shri Brenning A. Sangma, Border Area Development Department, Excise Department and Home, Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. Shri Lakman Rumboi, Education Department, Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Information and Public Relations Department, Law Department. Shri Khuborkhasi, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Arts and Culture Department, Printing and Stationery Department and Legal Metrology Department. Shri Sosthinu Sotun, Community and Rural Development Department, Secretariat Administration Department and General Administration Department. Shri Wailad Shillong, Health and Family Welfare Department, Sports and Youth Affairs Department and Home Passport Department. Shri Methodius Dakhar, Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, Labor Employment and Skill Department, Registration and Stamps Department and Cooperation Department.